Hi everyone. In this video, let's use what we learned in the previous OpenAI API video and create a small project to understand system prompts. If you watched my previous video, you probably already created an OpenAI API key and stored it somewhere like your .cs HRC file. If not, you can go back and watch that video first, because in this one, I'll assume your API key is already set up. Today, we're going to see how changing just one line, the system prompt, can completely change how the AI responds. So let's first set up our project. First, I'll create a new Node project. In the project repository, type npm init-y and click enter. I've already initialized the repository, so I won't do that. And then you want to type npm install OpenAI. Then I'll create a .gitignore file. Yeah, this makes sure that we do not commit unnecessary files like node modules, and more importantly, we don't accidentally commit our environment variables or API keys. Now I'll create an index.mjs file, and inside the file, I'll import the OpenAI SDK and check whether the API key is loaded. So proceed to open this file and type this. Then let's console.log to verify the API key has been loaded. Now I'll create the system prompt. As you can see, there are 3 system prompts here. 2 of them have been commented out. And a system prompt is really a set of instructions that tells the AI how it should behave throughout the conversation. You can think of it as giving the AI a role before it starts answering questions. For example, we could tell it to be helpful and kind, formal and professional, sarcastic and playful, or even act like a tutor, a customer support agent, or a coding assistant. Then I'll create the user prompt. So the user prompt is this: I forgot my friend's birthday yesterday. What should I text them? Now I'll send both of these into the OpenAI Responses API. So you want to type this. This is going to be using the await client.responses.create, passing the model, the instructions, and the input. Here, input is the user's message, and instructions is where we pass the system prompt. Now we'll proceed to run this code with node index.mjs. Let's wait for a response, and we get, hey, name. I'm really sorry I missed your birthday yesterday. I completely blanked and I feel bad. I hope you had a great day and got celebrated properly. Wishing you a happy belated birthday, and I'd love to make it up to you. So good, helpful, kind, warm response. Now this time, let's change the system prompt. Let's comment out the first one and the second one. You are an assistant who can only answer in less than 6 words. So the user prompt remains the same, only the system prompt changes, and let's see what different response we get. So again, let's wait for it to load. Now we get happy belated birthday, so sorry. Very simple, very concise, less than 6 words. And the final system prompt is, you are a helpful assistant that responds in Korean. And so with this, let's run this command again. And now we get, 어제 네 생일인 걸 놓쳐서 정말 미안해. 늦었지만 생일 축하해. 너에게 좋은 일들만 가득하길 바래. So we can even command it to respond in Korean. Yeah, so really the main takeaway is that the user prompt asks the question, and the system prompt sets the behavior. It can control like the tone, the personality, style, and sometimes even the rules that the assistant should follow. So this is why system prompts are so important when building AI applications, because you're not just asking a basic question, but you're really setting the tone and you're designing how the AI should respond. And I do encourage you to maybe try out different system prompts and tweak it until you get a response that best suits the goal you're trying to accomplish. That's all I have for today, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.